Ma'am, sir, good morning. My name is Rini Ros Araw, 48 years old, married, with 4 children. I have one daughter and 3 sons. Their ages are 27, 25, 23, and 21. My educational attainment is college graduate. I worked before in Bahrain for 10 years as a domestic helper. My duties are cleaning the house, taking care of children, cooking, marketing, cleaning the car, washing and ironing the clothes. And I'm driving also. I am a hardworking and patient and loving to the kids. Mom, sir, please hire me. I will follow all your instructions and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.